Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can import your data from the Chrome web browser, for example, or any other web browser to the Comet AI web browser. So let us dive into this. All right, guys, so launch the Comet AI browser and you will need to access your browser settings for that. You can access these by clicking into that arrow down icon in the top right. And from there, guys, navigate to settings here. And here inside your settings, navigate to UN Comet in the top left corner. And here, guys, below your user profile, your customizable or personalizable user profile, you will see that option, import from another browser. Click into it. And after that, you may simply select your preferred browser from that drop-down menu. Like, for example, you may go with these profiles, for instance, like Edge or Arc or Chrome, Opera, and so on and so forth. Let me go with Chrome. And after that, select the destination here on Comet, which is my profile. Of course, you can customize your profile here and select also the items you'd like to import, like browsing histories, cookies, bookmarks, and so on and so forth. For example, guys, after that, the bookmarks bar from the previous or from the other browser will appear here at the top. So that's basically it. Confirm by clicking into import here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.